Almost across the world, people are suffering because of black magic. There are many people who come to me asking for remedies. But this video is not about remedies, it's more about understanding why black magic is done and what are the reasons for which black magic is done. So the first question, why black magic is done? It is done because that is the most safest way. Nobody catch you because nobody knows who has done it. Secrecy and moreover cowardice, darpok, one who is not a lion but a fox. Such a person works behind the curtains and casts black magic on you. What are the reasons? And moreover, black magic is done for what? To cause what kind of problems in your life? The most foremost reasons, one of them is breaking a relationship, breaking a marriage, making a person lustful by introducing corrupted thoughts in his mind, in his or her mind, making a person drink a lot of alcohol. There are many people who drink a lot of alcohol and they realize they want to stop it. They go to many rehabilitation centers, but still they are back to the same situation. This is one of the effect of black magic. To make a person drink alcohol day out and day in. And the another thing that black magic does is to cause problems in your career, in your profession, cause problems in your marriage. Many times you are not able to get married because of black magic. And these are the things that probably very few people would believe. And that is what gives age to these people who does black magic, because they know that not everybody will believe and they easily get away with it. And you keep wondering that why my marriage is not happening, why I am not getting a job, why my business is falling. The primary reason can be black magic. And then the most worst of all, black magic is one that through black magic people die. They get a heart attack, a sudden heart attack, and they die. There are certain rituals in black magic through which people are just killed. Now the logical question can be that if that is how it is, then probably through black magic everybody must have been killed by far. But that is not how it is. Your enemies are trying to kill you by means of black magic, but you are alive because of two things. One, because of your planetary placements, they must be strong. And number two, because of the grace of the Master, the grace of God. So remember that even though you don't see your enemies, you have enemies who are working day out and day in from behind the curtains by means of black magic. And they are trying to create problems in your life. So, what is the solution? The solution is very simple. You don't have to retaliate. Always remember this. You don't have to retaliate. Osho Rajneesh, in his last discourse, specifically mentioned that there are some people who are doing black magic and creating certain sounds just to cause trouble to him. And he said that I can retaliate, but I will not. Because enough is enough. I don't want to get back into that circle, that unending circle. Let them do the offensive part. I will be defensive. You all will be surprised. But after watching this video, you can go to Wikipedia and read about Vasudevananda Saraswati Maharaj. He was one of the greatest master, greatest spiritual master. But during his last days, he specifically mentioned to his follower, to his close follower, that there are certain people in his family who are doing black magic on him. And imagine, he is one of the greatest spiritual master, Vasudevananda Saraswati Maharaj. And he says, I know who is doing it, but I will not retaliate. I will not make my hands dirty. So you see, the divine masters never retaliate. To put it in their words, they say, मित्रता एक साधना है और शत्रुत्व बच्चों का खेल है. So they consider these ignorant people who are doing black magic as kids. And we all can learn from these masters. Never retaliate. Instead, focus on defending yourself by meditating, praying, by donating food, by feeding the birds, by feeding dogs, cats, by helping those who deserve your help, by helping those who are in need. Basically, focusing on upgrading the quality of your karma is the only way to overcome all kind of black magic. Nobody is going to tell you all this, but I am telling you because this is the only truth. Otherwise, you will get caught in the unending cycle and you will be caught in that. Somebody is doing on you, you will start doing on him, and the cycle never ends. And as they say, an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind, and that is how your world will become a blind world. So think, because this is the only time when you can think, introspect, and focus on upgrading the quality of your life by turning inwards, by meditating. Jai Shri Ganesha, Jai Guru.